Hi, I'm gonna show you how to use Spotify in India. It has stopped working for a while, but now you can have it back working in India. So first thing first, head on to your browser and key in bit.ly/Spotify in. I'll link it in the description. So after that, download the APK, then click on install. Now do not open the app, just hit done when it's ready. So I'll just hit done. Now go to Play Store and search for Tunnel Bear. So I'll again pin the link in the description. Now give it some time before it downloads. I'll just fast forward the video. So once done, open Tunnel Bear and sign in with your credentials. Now if you don't have an account, you can sign up. So I'll key in my credentials, and once done, hit get tunnel. Now click on connect. Now wait for some time till it gets connected to the server. So you only need Tunnel Bear to open Spotify for the first time. You don't need Tunnel Bear for subsequent users. So once connected, go and open Spotify. Sign in with your credentials. I'll just blur it out once I key in my credentials, and if you don't have an account, you can sign up for Spotify. So now it seems it's good to go. So we can easily uninstall Tunnel Bear. So just to show you that it works, I'll remove the app, then open it again. So there it is, Spotify working in India. I'll just play one music to show that it really works. You can see for yourself. So thank you.